Here's WebD app, WebD make new friends. So let's just tap to get it here. And then here it is. With your world swipe, meet chat. Swipe to send friend requests, meet your new BFF chat. So that's kind of a similar app to Wiz, where you just focused on making new friends. I guess it's not like a dating app. It's mostly for making friends. So then you can just easily create an account. Then you just select your country, choose your profile picture, and then just create your okay, so then you can just create some search filters, whatever. And then there it is. Then you can just swipe here. And that's just basically the idea of the app. Then you have friends where you can see friend requests. Then you have chats where you have this. And then collect bottles. Come back daily for 200 bottles. You can buy extra bottles. You can upgrade to VPD Plus. 1 month, $13. Then here's your account. You can also add a video. You can delete your account. You can just swipe around it. You can rewind. You can boost. If you want to boost profile, you need to buy again these daily bottles. So there you have it. That's the app. Like if you like Wiz app, that's the idea here, what you can try to use. And that's just what it is. So there you have it.